To short on Kraken. Start by understanding what shorting means in the context of cryptocurrency trading. Shorting involves selling a cryptocurrency with the expectation of buying it back at a lower price. To make a profit, first, create an account on Kraken and verify your identity to ensure you can trade with ease. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your Kraken account, making sure you have enough balance to engage in short selling. Next, navigate to the Kraken trading platform and select the cryptocurrency pair you want to short. Kraken offers a variety of pairs, so choose one that you are familiar with and have analyzed for potential price movements. Now, click on the sell option and select the leverage you want to use. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases your potential losses. Be cautious when using leverage and only use it if you understand the risks. After selecting your leverage, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to short and confirm the transaction. Your short position is now open, and you will be required to buy back the cryptocurrency at a later time to close the position. To close your short position, navigate back to the trading platform and click on the buy option. Make sure to buy back the same amount of cryptocurrency that you initially sold. If the price has dropped, you will make a profit, but if the price has risen, you will incur a loss. Best practices for shorting on Kraken include setting stop losses to limit your potential losses, monitoring your positions closely, and staying up to date with market news and trends. It is also essential to have a solid understanding of the cryptocurrency market and the risks involved with short selling. In conclusion, shorting on Kraken can be a lucrative trading strategy, but it requires careful planning and risk management. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively short on Kraken and make informed trading decisions. Remember to always prioritize risk management and never invest more than you can afford to lose.